Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to tell a story regarding money. This is Musharraf Hussain from Bangladesh. How to save and earn money. Do not waste your hard earned money at any cost. Rahul is the youngest son of his parent. He collect money from his parents for various reasons. His parents don't ask him for what reason to expense this money. They provide demanded money to him. Parent observe him several times regarding collecting money and expenses. At the end of the day, Rahul destroy money that he collect from his parents. Once upon a time, Rahul parents call him and make a deal between them. Deal is every day you will provide 1 taka to me. Rahul laughed and say, 1 taka? I will ready to pay you 1 taka every day. First day, he collect 1 taka from his mother and end of the day gave it to his father. There is a wash drain beside Rahul's house. His father put the 1 taka note and throw it to the wash drain. Rahul asks him, why you put it to the wash drain? His father replied, your responsibility to provide 1 taka to me every day. You have given to me, your responsibility is finished. Second day, Rahul collect 1 taka from his sister and gave it to his father. As usual, his father took 1 taka and threw it to the drain. Third day, he collect 1 taka from his grandmother and give it to his father. As usual, his father took it and threw it to the wash drain. By this way, he collect 1 taka from his all family members and friends. One day, no family members and friends didn't agree to provide 1 taka to Rahul. They completely disagree with Rahul to provide 1 taka. Rahul left this home to collect 1 taka and search work. No work found. Evening is knocking at the door. Suddenly, He saw a wheelbarrow and an old man who pulled the wheelbarrow. Old man is tired and sweating to pull wheelbarrow. Rahul asks him, "Where will you go?" Old man replied to say his destination. Rahul make a deal with old man. "I will help you to pull the wheelbarrow. For this you will give me 1 taka to me." Old man laughed and agreed. Rahul pulled wheelbarrow to that destination. To pull the wheelbarrow, blister is on Rahul hand and get hurt his arm. At last Rahul has got 1 taka from him and give it to his father. This is called hard earned money for Rahul. First income of Rahul. At the end of the day, Rahul give 1 taka to his father. His father is going to throw 1 taka to wash drain. Rahul catch his father hand and say, you don't put it to wash drain, and crying. It's hard earned money for me. Rahul share the whole story to his father. Rahul father embraced him and Rahul committed to his father, "I never destroy money." Thank you.